This is the most hidden shelter I've ever seen. It's nestled between two giant rocks. Inside, not only is the space very open, but also there's a warm and impressive fireplace to keep you company, even if there are howling winds and blizzards outside. The interior is still as warm as spring. Cam, who doesn't follow the usual path, went into the mountains in the ice and snow. Since watching the wilderness build, his heart was already stirring, always wanting to survive in the wild. By this time, he was already shivering from the cold. Luckily, he found a pile of wood pine needles. This stuff works regardless of the season, very easy to ignite, to warm up his hands, so he could always maintain his strength. Surviving in such a harsh environment is undoubtedly a test for Cam. He found a hidden rock cave, formed by two rock layers. It's perfect for building a home. However, to accommodate one person, he needs to expand the space with a shovel. After Cam excavated some space, he planned to build a simple stove inside. After all, in minus 20 degrees Celsius of ice and snow, fire is the harbour of the soul. Without a warm haven, it's really difficult to move here. He took out a small piece of wood, then chopped it into pieces, processing it into wood shavings that are easy to ignite, to raise the temperature inside. As the fire burns more and more vigorously, it can exhaust smoke through the fire channel above. This will avoid the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning. As for the gaps in the corners, he continues to fill them with stones, to make sure there are no drafts. Looking at the chaotic weather, you know how intense the winter is here. To make the shelter warmer, he found a bunch of pine needles to seal the triangular opening above, and then reinforce the bottom with a few stones. Now the hole inside has become much warmer. However, the snowflakes outside show no sign of stopping. Moreover, environmental resources here are limited. He can only use this dense, branchy pine branches as a door. At the very least, it can effectively block the blizzard's invasion. Only then does he have time to replenish some calories, to become a qualified outdoor wanderer. These tests must be experienced. Carter is also very optimistic, despite the difficult conditions here. After a short rest, he observes the situation outside. Still, snowflakes are falling all over the sky. Carter happens to fetch a pot of fresh snow for himself. Here, besides the fire source, which brings him warmth, water is what provides him with motivation. Both are indispensable. The weather here is unpredictable. Yesterday was still bright and sunny. Today it's continuous snowfall. But this can't stop his steps. Cam once again shouldered his pack, and warmed his feet again, taking strides that seem to ignore everyone. He continues his journey of wandering. During this time, he also adopted a stray dog. He travels mountains and cross ridges, waded through mountains and rivers, after hiking a distance of 10 kilometers. He continued to find these pine needle packs to keep warm. This is like a gas station. It is of great use at critical times. Until the sky slowly dimmed, Carter didn't stop moving forward. He saw he had found a rock wall. He planned to spend the night here first. This required clearing out a space. They went to collect a lot of resin packages, to pile them up one by one, acting as walls. The bottom of the rock wall could just accommodate a person and a dog. Now it feels a little safer from the inside. After Carter had laid out the bedding, he took out his eating utensils. Just work and no meals. Even the dogs in the production team would do that. As the sky slowly darkened, he and the dog huddled together in the cave, and spent the night like this. The next day, early in the morning, the man and the dog replenished their water. They continued their journey of wandering.